So you created a video on your YouTube channel, and now you decided you like to add a thumbnail to your video. No worries, in this video I'll show you how you can do it. It's very simple and it actually is very easy. But if you have any problems, please let me know in the comment section. I'll create a video for you explaining you what you're doing wrong or how can you do it. Anyways, now let's jump right into the video without wasting any second, and subscribe if you're new to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you. So now if you uploaded your video to your YouTube channel and now you like to add a thumbnail, just go to this icon right here, tap on this icon, details, tap there. When you click on this video, now you have more settings, more options, right? But if you want to add a thumbnail, as you can see I added here, it's a thumbnail. You need to scroll a little bit down in here in this section. You'll see thumbnail. Select or upload a picture that shows what's in your video. A good thumbnail stands out and draws viewers' attention. So here all you need to do is just to tap on the three dots and tap on change. Or if you don't have any thumbnail, you just need to tap on the video and now this image, and you can add a new thumbnail. If you have any problems, please let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.